Hello friend, welcome back. In this session, I want to discuss about how can create that multi-authentication system. That means we will create one of the e-commerce project, and for that e-commerce project, we'll need the two admin panel. One will be as an admin, where admin can manage all that your storage like uploading product, manage that order, manage that report. Everything will be managed by the admin. Right? So for the admin, we'll need one of the authentication system, and also we'll need another one for the user, where user able to log in, and after the logging, he will be able to purchase this order, complete this order. User can change their password, change their profile picture, return all that options, and much more things will be for the user. Right? So that will be two different authentication system, and for this project I will use Laravel authentication package as a JDStream. Okay, so then that will be very much interactive. So with this JDStream, how can create that multi-authentication system? In this session, step by step, I will show you with a live example. I hope you will like it very much. So thanks for watching. So we'll start that journey by installing Laravel 8.